President of the Philippines, Sara Duterte, has announced her presidential bid. Duterte declared that she will run for the presidential office in 2028. This sets the stage for a high-stakes political showdown in the Southeast Asian nation of 116 million people.
Mga kababayan,
My countrymen, let us bring back the courage and devotion for God, for the nation, and for every family and Filipino people. I am Sara Duterte, and I am running as the next president of the Philippines.
Duterte accused President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. or Bongbong of corruption and betrayal, saying that he failed to honor commitments made during their short-lived alliance, which led them to a landslide victory in the 2022 elections. Under the Constitution, the president is limited to a single 6-year term. Hence, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. cannot seek re-election. The announcement comes just days before her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, is scheduled to begin a pre-trial hearing at the International Criminal Court over crimes against humanity tied to his controversial war on drugs. Critics call her move a big risk, adding that Duterte maintains a strong base in her family's southern stronghold of Mindanao. Independent opinion surveys rank her as a strong contender in the 2028 race.
One question lang. Now that na in-announce ni VP Sara yung pagtakbo niya, and sinabi niyo po kasi sa isang interview, if I recall sa TV5 yata, sinabi niyo na siya yung pinakamalakas so far na kandidato. Pero ano niyo nakikita yung dapat maging strategy po ng United Opposition para matalo nga yung sinasabi niyo pong malakas na kandidato?
yung strategy na yon bahagi pa ng matagal at matinding trabahong gagawin namin kapag 100% ang kaming nagkaisa sa common candidates namin. Maraming salamat.